In a major breakthrough, Churaibari Border Patrol Post team under Sribhumi district bordering neighbouring state Tripura were successful in seizing a whopping 44,100 banned cough syrup bottles on Sunday afternoon. Pranab Mili, officer in charge of the police post, informed that a truck was intercepted at the border checkpost. The truck was carrying sacks of potatoes and onions, but a thorough search revealed 294 cartons filled with codeine, phosphate, cough syrup, ASKUF. In all, 44,100 bottles were seized, which is worth more than 3 crore in the black market. These banned cough serums were coming from mainland India and were heading for neighbouring Bangladesh via Tripura. Churaibari police sources informed that as of now, the driver of the vehicle and his handyman have been detained for further investigation to ascertain its backward and forward linkages.